Hello everyone. If you are watching this video, then that means you want to become a programmer and you want to know that what programming language you want to learn in 2024 and also for mid-tier professional, whereas if they wanted to work in another programming language, so they can choose either one of them. We all know that 2024 is quite critical because recession is going on and job market is quite tight. But if you are just pass out from your college and you still figuring it out that you have learned a language and you are not getting a job in that particular language, then you need to look for alternative. So the number one language you need to learn and you need to master is Java. I know it's quite obvious, everyone tells you about to learn Java, but they don't tell you that what usually is being used in industries. Java right now, the latest version of Java is 21, whereas in many industries they are still using Java 8. So if you have already learned Java, so you need to fine tune your skill in terms of knowing the difference between each and every version, which will help you to tell the interviewer that you know Java very well in terms of their version releases, what features they are introducing. So if you know Java and if you know the basic concept of Java, you need to focus on learning what all are the new features released in other versions and how you can use it. So you need to fine tune your Java skills. The second language in our list is JavaScript. So if you are expert in Java and you wanted to increase your salary, so you need to also know how to work in another language. As you know how Java works, JavaScript is also quite similar. So it will be easier for you to understand JavaScript and also apply for jobs which are open for JavaScript developers. The third language in our video is Python. So the Python is quite popular couple of years, and the reason it is getting more interest because the ease of use of Python in AI related jobs or data analytics job. So if you want to change your career from maybe Java developer or JavaScript developer, maybe front end developer to data analytics or in the world of AI, you can start learning Python. Even I personally also start exploring data analytics, AI or ML in this year because I know other languages, but the way AI is increasing, we need to learn Python at must. We should know Python. Or if you know Python, means if you already know Python, vice versa, you should learn Java. So basically, nowadays developers should know either one or two is bare minimum. You should also know one more language. The third is Node. So basically, the reason Node is it is quite popular, okay, and because if you know Node, you can easily work with React or you can easily work with Angular and any other how to say newly introduced framework. Every year there is some new library or new framework is coming which their backbone is Node. So Node is also good thing for you to learn. It will add plus point in your CV. And our the most used and the most how to say means right, it's like 20-30 years or maybe I think 40 years like C plus plus, the way they have been used. But I would say that means it depends upon which company you're applying for. But I would prefer that if you're passing out this year or if you have passed out during COVID time, I would not recommend you to go for C plus plus because if you're learning C plus plus now, just imagine that you might get a job, okay, but in terms of growth, leadership perspective, I don't think so because C plus plus is not contributing much towards the future of AI engine, but you can also explore it. Okay, you can explore C plus plus if in your free time, but I would suggest that you should choose either one of them, Java, JavaScript, or Python. Become an expert in these three languages, and then you choose your for casual learning purpose, that how their framework work. This will help you to increase your knowledge in that area. People usually don't tell this one, they only tell you learn this language and apply for these jobs. But I would suggest that you should be knowing that how these language works, all of them, so that it's easier for you to stand out between other candidates. That's the best part. So I hope if you like the video, and if you want more detailed video in other areas for for each and every language, you just comment or just like the video. I'll start uploading the videos for each and every um, specific criteria. Which, or if you have any questions, you can write down in comment section. Okay, thank you.